So this is a 4L60 that we just got done by a speed shop. They went through it and rebuilt everything. They put a smaller performance torque converter in it. Painted everything, went through it, got it all set up, and it's going in a in this 2005 Pontiac GTO out here. It has a 6.0 board 20,000s, rotating assembly, long tube headers, tune. It's kind of just the beginning of what has been done to it, but I wanted to build it a little bit because the transmission started to act up a little. Underneath is not all rotten or anything like that. It's all pretty solid. And we just started recently working on this for the customer. He got it as a project car because he's building this thing up, and it's pretty rowdy. She's pretty rowdy, so we're gonna get this all done and installed today. Get it fired up and back on the road, and go from there. Nothing too special yet, but it's getting there. She's coming around little by little by little. We're a little high. Turn it, turn it. Yeah. Here. Fire it up. If you've got this phone Bluetooth to a big set of speakers, or your truck speakers, or like you got a sound system in your car, it is going to sound absolutely utter amazing if it's going through that system right now. Your phone or your computer may sound okay, but with a sound system, oh my god, or like going through your big truck speakers or something like that, the sound is unbelievable coming from this right now. Try it out. Fire it up. This is a 20 over, oh, really? 6 liter.
Nice.
We just got the new 6L.
Amazing.
I couldn't show you me going out and ripping this thing around, but when you put a performance transmission in one of these things, you got to make sure it shifts good. You got to make sure the car runs good. So all I can tell you is it shifts good. It runs real good. It's just the pedal is so light in this thing with this new transmission and new efficient torque converter. It just freaking rips, man. And it takes almost nothing with this 6 liter, 20,000 over rotating assembly, headers, tune. And you could just smell the fuel out the back of this thing. Just rap, 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 rap. And I got out here on Archer, and I just let her eat. First, second, third, no problem at all, man. Just shifted like a freaking dream. And the way the transmission comes online and everything shifts is just absolutely amazing. So the guys really did a great job building this transmission in Schaumburg. I really have to hats off to them. I'll throw you a picture of the link and stuff at the end on who they are. They really did a great job with this 4L60. So I just have to praise them on that. And another customer going to be satisfied. And I'm going home. Y'all be blessed. Take care.